this lesson, we're going to add the pricing table. So let's click on this. And you have the pricing right there. Let's see, what do you want to change? You can add more features on this, or you can just clone something if you didn't want to. So I'm just going to clone some of these here. And you can go to the header. You can add the basic. You can, let's say you want to put this to be starter. And the currency amount, you can put in the old price. So it's going to show that the old price slashed off. You can put it per month or per year. Duration display and inline. That's how that's going to be. So this usually look good when you have multiple columns for it. So let's have this one secondary. Then you kind of click through here and see what you want to put. And the badge and the tooltip display. Now you have this recommended. So let's take that off. Let's click on apply. So now you can be able to tweak this to click to edit. And if you wanted to, let's go over back here, the button tooltip. Let's click on display, recommended or popular. You can be at the top. You can have it the center like that. And then you would have to create additional ones to supplement it. So what does that mean? Let's do that right now. Let's click another element and let's go to columns and let's put 3 here. So I'm just going to click here, go to the pricing table. That's 1. Go to pricing table number 2. Whatever you want to add here, you can add that, but we're doing the pricing. And let's see, we want to change something here. Let's make this one the recommended one. Okay, let's put it right there. Put it at the top. So now you have the recommended, and then you can add another one. Let's see what we're going to put this one. The button order now, sign up. Let's change the color for this one here. So let's go to light. No, let's change that to success. I like that one. And you can come back and change. But as you can see, it's so simple. If you want to do a little bit more, you still can. You can go over to the style. You can look at the panel. You can choose, let's move that over. Now the panel has been moved over to the middle. Let's close this. You can go to the header. You can change the header, the title. You want to change the colors for that. You can do that as well for the price. You can change the price colors. You want the image and the icon. You can do that. So go to features. So I'm just kind of going through these here just so you can see how whatever you want to change, you can change that, the hover color for this one. And for the advanced, you can do a little bit more. So now you can change the background for this. So if you want it to be, you know, a unique color scheme or something, you can do that. But this is how you create the pricing table.